going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to show you why this is the #1 app you should download on your phone, because it's going to make you a good amount of money. Very easy to use. I've done videos on this before, but I just want to continue to show people that it's still legit. I'm still using it. I'm still making money, still cashing out, all that good stuff. So on this app, basically, I'm going to get paid at least 5 cents per question. And it's not like 5 cents per survey, 5 cents per question. And I'm going to go through and just show you me doing it, live or whatever. So you see here, I'm starting out with $4.76. And let's see how much I have by the end of the video. Like I said, all of them are paying at least 5 cents. It's pretty much, a lot of questions on here. So I'm going to answer them all, show you that. I'm not going to talk through the survey just because, well, not the survey, but just through the questions, just because I feel like it's pointless. But I just want you to really see me doing this and see how easy it is, so you can actually use it yourself. So let's get into it. Let me show you how I'm making 5 cents per question. All right, so I'm done with all the questions. You see how easy it was. You see there, I started out with $4.76. Now I have $6.41 in my account. Very easy. It took me, just a few minutes to do. You saw how I didn't get disqualified for any questions. So basically on this app, every question they give you, you're going to be able to answer it. There's no disqualifying. There's no kicking you out. Whatever you see, you'll be able to complete. Sometimes they ask you to upload pictures. You can do them if you want to. You don't have to. You don't have to answer, what you don't want to, but they will credit you every time. Now, there's other things you can do in this app as well. You can check in the places. You can get a daily action bonus. I'm going to show you that as well. Also, show you some of my previous cash outs, showing you that I'm basically making, $15 a week with this one app. So that's why it's a must that you download it. So first, let me go through and show you the daily action bonus. Right here, every day that you check in, just claim the reward, and you get paid for doing that as well. So I'll just go back, see now day 1 is complete. Then you can also check in to wherever you're at. So just click the check-in button. You can have your location on. It'll pick up your location. All you do is just, check it, and then you can get your money. So once it pulls up, I just check where I'm at, continue, click done, get a little bit over 2 cents just for doing that. So very easy. Now I got $6.44. Now I want to show you some of my previous cash out just to show you that this app is legit. All the money that I've made from this app is going to kind of scroll down here, show you all of these cash out, the previous ones, basically $15 a week. This app is legit. It's making me a lot of money. I continue to tell you it is the #1 app for me. You see, I got a few $50 cash outs. So, this is why I love it. Just answering questions. You're not getting disqualified. You're making a good amount of money with it. So it's completely free. There's nothing bad I can say about this app. So download it today. The link to it is in the description. It's very easy to use. So get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.